It doesn't take much to damage a wall. A kid's toy or door handle can do it. Or maybe you've just moved a socket and you're left with a hole that can spoil the look of a room. But with Easifix Wall Repair Kit, it doesn't take much to repair it to a smooth finish. The kit gives you enough to fill 4 square meters and repair 1 hole. And it's suitable to repair damaged plasterboard walls as well as damaged plaster. And it comes with everything you need: 2 500-gram bags of fine filler, 1 plasterboard patch, a sanding block, a filling knife, and a mixing tool and bucket, so you can get started straight away. Make sure the surface is sound and dry. You don't want any loose material around the edges. Here's a good tip. Before you start, give the filling knife a quick sand around the edges to help achieve a smoother finish. For the first layer, add 1 500-gram bag of filler to 300 milliliters of clean water and stir till you get a nice smooth paste. Let it stand for 5 minutes, then give it a final stir to make it really creamy. The mixture will be usable for around 45 minutes. For a hole in the wall, use the self-adhesive patch. Peel off the backing and fix it over the hole. Apply a thin layer of filler and feather it at least 50 millimeters beyond the edge of the patch. Let it dry and then add extra coats if you need to. For general filling of holes and cracks in plaster, use the filling knife. For the second layer, add the second bag of 500 grams of filler to 300 milliliters of clean water and stir until you have a nice smooth paste. Let it stand for 5 minutes, then give it a final stir to make it really creamy. The mixture will be usable for around 45 minutes. And apply the second coat, feathering out 50 millimeters beyond the previous coat. Use a damp sponge to clean the edges for a really smooth finish. Then clean the tools and bucket with warm soapy water. Once the mixture is fully dry, sand it smooth and brush clean. You're now ready to decorate. Always follow the paint manufacturer's instructions for porous surfaces. We recommend using Artex Easifix Primer. To match the existing surface colour, paint when dry using a good quality emulsion.